Nothing like stopping. And around the stop. Yes! Well, you're halfway out in the friggin' intersection. Why'd you even bother, not go? Then, yeah, Toyota. Because Toyota. Nope. Subadoosh. Jesus friggin' Christ, take down your Christmas crap. Yeah! Get out of the crosswalk! Sorry, get out of the fire lane! And out of fucking... Get off the fucking phone, you asshole. I hope I distracted him. Roll stop and roll the stop. And roll the stop. Excuse me. Scumbag. There's a stop sign. Of course, Toyota gonna jump its turn. Toyo turd.
Monday, it's going to be sunny and then give way to patchy clouds in the afternoon, all the way up.
That's a stop sign.
Tuesday's going to be cloudy.
Now that.
A little bit
Thanks, douchebag. Fuck you. Now hold up traffic and then try to exit dive? Fuck you. Kindly go fuck yourself. Huh? You want to stop? Because that is a stop sign, you know. Turd in the fire lane. And you know why? Roll the stop. Did he stop? And let's watch the Lexus jump the queue. Yeah. Who's that? That's a Kia and a Honda in front of me. Who's that? That's a Kia and a Honda in front of me. Direct to the left lane, Lincoln! Just running the stop back there. You ever able to stop back there? Is he able to stop? I can't tell. Let's look at all this running it down. Right. And the Audi rolls the stop. Go ahead, lady, go ahead. Can't wait to see what these little turds do. Yep. Stop signs are for you too, assholes. Stop sign. Stop sign. Have a half day today. It's Ash Wednesday. Now pull over to the sidewalk, stupid. What the hell you doing? What the hell you doing? What the hell you doing, lady? Oh, God. Nincompoop. Go! It's everywhere. It's supposed to stop. Stop. Direct to the left lane and everything. Wow. You have to pull out here so you can see the damn hill, the curve. I still stopped. Hear myself breathing in beat. That was an illegal U-turn. Yes, it was. New signage. Old signage coming out. What the hell are you doing? Asshole. To stop before you go. Alright, turning red after stop, right lane only. So we stop. Alright. And there we go. Of course it's a Corolla. Let's go! They're every friggin' where today. But then again, where are they not around here, right? Oh, fuck, this GNC over there. Oh, cheaper in the red light. Asshole left. Boom, boom, ba-dum. I don't think you stopped. I wouldn't be surprised. You definitely didn't stop. Yeah, that wasn't a stop. Was that a stop? I wasn't looking. Hold on. No, it definitely wasn't a stop there. Yeah. Was that a stop? I wasn't looking. Hold on. No, it definitely wasn't a stop there. Yeah. Yeah, he won't this time either. Right? Yep. You. What's your problem, douchebag? You're following too close, apparently.
Institute in Cambridge. The founder of the brewery, Chris DeCatch, says
Are you gonna stop? You don't look like you're gonna stop. Is that a stop?
You're way too fast. You're what the law. I have
Stop sign, Karula.
Just like you, thank goodness for Big Lou. Big Lou! Big Lou can
Oh,
get
fuck you, Big Lou.
Lou.
Did you vote? Yeah! Moron. Asshole. We've got. Yeah, halfway there, dude. Why bother to signal? Fucking nitwit. And the red light.
If you take a left further up,
Stop signs mean anything to you? Exit dive. No turn on red, Honda. And there we go. He rolled it. And he rolled it. I know y'all can't get enough of this intersection. And auto school car blew it. Driving school, whatever. Yep. And it wasn't a stop. That was either. Yep. Yep. Nobody's coming, dude. Yes, it's Alexis! The fuck is going on with you, dude? Dude, it's green. You have a green arrow, dum-dum. Did your car die? Or are you looking at your phone? No, he's in the wrong lane. Okay. NewEnglandSecurity.com. No, you're supposed to stop, old man. Like this. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, that wasn't even close to stopping.